2026 is indeed a very happy year. So almost from every state we are having assistant professor vacancies. हर state से आपको assistant professor vacancies मिल रही हैं. And this time this happy news is from Nagaland Public Service Commission. So you have a number of vacancies almost for every subject. You have vacancies by direct recruitment under the government of Nagaland. And for that, you have to use the commission's website, which is npsc.nagaland.gov.in, and you have to register for Common Educational Services Examination CESE 2026. Now, they have their vacancies coming for almost every subject of higher education. I'm going to tell you the name of the subjects and the number of vacancies and what's the reservation. So you have reservation list is given for all the particular vacancies. Like for assistant professor chemistry, you have 14 posts. 14 division is like you have 3 for unreserved, 7 for II, 7 for BT, Portuary, then etc. आपके पास यहाँ पे पूरी डिटेल्स है, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट और हर पोस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग रिजर्वेशन दिया गया. Then for assistant professor English, you have total 8 posts. For political science assistant professor, you have 2 posts. For geology, you have only 1 post. Coming down, mathematics 16. Oh my God. Assistant professor mathematics, you have in total 16 posts. Then moving forward, for physics 15, zoology 15, botany, then commerce. If you belong to the commerce subject, we have total 8 vacancies for the commerce subject. Then coming down, history, we have 2 vacancies. Then sociology, in total, we have 8 vacancies. Okay, we'll go ahead. Geography 3, anthropology 3, computer 2. Then for your education, we have total 5 vacancies. Economics, we have 8. Philosophy, we have 2. Physical sciences 1. Then assistant professor English, higher education 2024. Then for that, we have only 1 vacancy. Now coming down, we have for education, higher education English, philosophy, chemistry. Then we have botany. These are the pending vacancies in 2023, 2024. That pending vacancies are also given over here. Then you have lecturer, PGT vacancies. So आपकी बहुत सारी vacancies हैं for assistant professor post. Now coming down, let me tell you what's the eligibility criteria. See, if you are applying for the post of assistant professor, because we people deal with assistant professor, हमने apply भी assistant professor के लिए करना in higher education. So whatever post I have told you right now related to higher education assistant professor, what is the eligibility criteria? You should have a master's degree with 55% marks. So first thing is you need to have master's degree with 55% marks. Relaxation is given of 5% to different categories. Like SC, ST, OBC and your disabled category will get a relaxation of 5%. Along with that, you need to have your NET qualified. So you need to have NET qualified. This is another important thing, that you need to have your NET qualified along with that. Clear? So even having a NET examination is important. Now coming to the age group, 21 years and 32 years. So minimum age is 21, maximum age is 32. So your age should be between 21 to 32. Now, you need to appear for the examination. For that, you need to apply online. One-time registration will start from 12th of May and it will end on 30th of May. So you have almost 18 days to apply for the examination, and the exam will be held on 11th of July 2026 tentatively. So tentatively means it can change, but otherwise the date of examination will be 11th of July. Clear? So now coming to some important information related to this, that is कि अगर हम इस पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so you need to give an examination also. आपको यहाँ पर एग्जाम भी देना होगा. See, you need to have master's degree with minimum 55% and also you need to have NET और SET requirement. ठीक है? Along with that, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो आपके लिए यहाँ पर examination है. So you need to appear for the written examination, and along with the written examination there is also an interview. So आपका एक written exam होगा along with that interview, but ये सारी details आपको पता लग जाएंगी the moment you will register. So please make sure between 12th of May till 30th of May you are doing the one-time registration. The moment you will register, they'll share you the entire data about the examination pattern. For now, I am telling you, you have a written examination, which is majorly the information that we have got is an objective type of examination. Along with that, you need to appear for the interview as well. But all the details will be open to you once you start, filling your form. So make sure आप timely अपने form को fill कर दे as per the number of vacancies they have given you. Even assistant professor psychology, childhood studies, they have one post. ठीक है, so make sure you go through this complete document. The link is given, and you fill the form and you appear for the examination if there is an examination for your particular post. कुछ कुछ जगह पे direct recruitment भी है, so you might not even appear for the exam. So once you fill the form, you will get to know whether you have to appear for the exam or will it be only interview. So these things will be clear once you will open the portal, upload your details. Things will become more clear, because for few posts you have an exam, for few you have direct recruitment. That means direct recruitment means you have a direct interview. Clear? Now, whatever video you are seeing of ours on this channel, आपका ये जो channel है assistant professor, आप इसकी कोई भी वीडियो को ओपन कर लीजिए. ओपन एनी वीडियो, below that you are going to find the pathfinder link. You have an assistant professor pathway finder link. The moment you click on this link, you will have this page open, which is assistant professor pathway finder. आप जिस भी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में बिलोंग करते हो और आपको नहीं पता वहां कितनी वैकेंसीज निकल रही हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी. जस्ट गो देयर, सिलेक्ट आपका यूजीसी नेट क्वालिफाइड है, विच कैटेगरी, विच सब्जेक्ट यू बिलोंग टू, व्हाट्स योर पीएचडी स्टेटस, व्हाट इज योर होम स्टेट, एंड गो एनालाइज माय पाथवेज. आपको ये पता लग जाएगा कि आपकी स्टेट में विच पर्टिकुलर वैकेंसी इज राइट नाउ ओपन, हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर देयर, and how can you apply for that particular post. So आपको ये hush and hurry, you need not run behind so many channels or somewhere. Don't buy so many employment newspapers. Just click on this link, fill your data, so that the moment you fill your data, you can get the overview of all the vacancies that are coming in your area or nearby states. And I would suggest you to please make sure you apply for other states as well, because this is going to increase your chances of getting the government job. तो आपके जो chances of selection है वो बढ़ जाते हैं. So make sure आप other states को भी preference दें. Thank you. God bless you all and keep smiling.